Have you just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2 and you are not sure what is the best transportation to the city? If you are heading into the Kuala Lumpur city, the easiest way is to use Grab. It is fast and simple. We will show you step by step. Upon arrival, you will be at level 2, that is the arrival hall. Go to level 1 for bus, car rental and e-hailing services. Along the way, you can see Aerotel, which is the airport hotel at level 2. Kopitiam Memang Meal is open 24 hours, so you will not be lack of food if you arrive at the airport early morning or late at night. This is the exit, but please turn to your left and take the escalator. There are also free buses for you to take to go from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1. These are car rental booths. You can check out the prices. Step 2 is to order Grab car. Download the Grab apps from the Google Play Store. Turn on your location button and then press the car icon. For example, your destination is to Traders Hotel Kuala Lumpur, a 5-star hotel. Next will be your pickup place. So now you are at Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2, Level 1, door number 5. Then please choose the type of cars that you want, from standard to premium. Step 3 is to go to gate number 5. You can even monitor your Grab car plate. This is the waiting area for the passengers to be picked up. For those who want to take bus, you can buy the bus ticket on level 1. Gate number 3 will be for bus services. Hope you have learned something useful from this video. If you want to know more on how to check in until boarding the plane in KLIA2, please watch this video.